In this video, I'll share with you some vegetables which you can grow in your home very easily in the month of January. So let's get started. So the first vegetable which you can grow very easily in your home in January would be brinjal. Now brinjal is a perennial plant, which means it can give you good harvest continuously for up to 5 years. Of course, how many harvests you are able to take from the plant will also depend upon how good you take care of the plant. You have to feed it with compost and you have to prune it on a regular basis, and it will surely give you excellent results. Next comes tomato. Now tomato plants are very low maintenance plant and they're very easy to grow. You can grow them in small containers in recycled plastic bottles. The only thing that you need to make sure while growing tomatoes is that if you are doing the seedlings right now in the month of January, you have to make sure that you have to provide it with as much sunlight as you can. So if you don't provide enough sunlight to the seedlings will become leggy and the future plants will also be very unhealthy. So please provide the seedlings the maximum amount of sunlight that you possibly can. The next vegetable which you can grow in January is spinach. Okay, and no winters are complete without growing spinach. I truly believe that. It's a very convenient vegetable to grow. Anybody can grow it. It's a beginner friendly vegetable. You don't need lots of experience with gardening to grow spinach. Anybody can do it. Just make sure to choose a wide container while growing spinach. All the vegetable seeds which I've mentioned in this video are there in my container gardening vegetable seed kit, which is my seed kit developed by me, and it's available on my website www.themayashop.com. You can either directly visit my website or you will find a link to my website in the description of this video. The next vegetable on my list today is red radish. This is one of the fastest growing vegetables in my list today. So the people who are like me, who are very impatient when it comes to growing vegetables, who want quick harvest, this is the vegetable for you. Next on my list today is lettuce. Lettuce can be very conveniently grown in January. You just have to make sure that sometimes lettuce can be affected by mealybugs. So you may have to spray it with neem oil a couple of times. If you see the infestation of mealybugs on your plant, you can spray it at least 2 to 3 times in a week and the infestation should go away. Next, you can grow fenugreek, also known as methi in Hindi. You can grow it as a microgreen, and one thing that I really like about growing methi is that you don't even need soil to grow it. You can grow it in water. Yes, you heard me right. You can grow it in just water. You can also grow it in coco peat. Now, these were some of the vegetables which can be grown in early January. We talked about 6 vegetables which can be grown. Now we will talk about the vegetables which can be grown in late January. Or if you live in a place where the climate is not as harsh, the winters are not as harsh as we have it here in northern India, you can also grow it immediately too. The first vegetable which we will talk about is French beans. You can do seedlings of French beans in late January. Apart from French beans, you can also grow bottle and bitter gourd in late January as well. The last vegetable on today's list which can be grown in late January is okra, also known as ladyfinger. So this was my list of all the vegetables which you can grow in January. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to give it a like, and you can also share it with your friends and family, the people who are interested in gardening and green living. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video, and a very happy new year to all of you. Thank you.